Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing the device and tools, enable developer options and USB debugging, or install Tasker plus auto input if you prefer on-device control. Once done, sign into TikTok and leave the app open. Make sure screen timeout is disabled so the automation runs uninterrupted. Connect via ADB from your computer or confirm Tasker has accessibility permissions. These are not optional steps. Permission and connection let your command send swipe events to now configure the actual swipe sequence. You create a repeating task that issues a vertical swipe input every X seconds using ADB input swipe or Tasker auto input gestures. Set swipe distance to move one video height, pick duration to match natural flicks, and randomize timing by about 10% so patterns look human. Test on a short loop, watching buffer times. If a video stalls, increase delay. If you skip too fast, shorten swipe or slow the interval a bit. Finally, run the automation and watch for issues. Start in the foreground so you can catch permission prompts, ads, or login pop-ups. Make sure battery optimization is off and Wi-Fi remains stable. If an ad or prompt pauses playback, pause the script, dismiss the prompt, then resume. Use logs from ADB or Tasker to find errors and tweak timing. Key troubleshooting tip. If TikTok starts blocking actions or showing CAPTCHA, stop and revert to manual use until the account is clear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.